Wait, I need to take this off. Hold up. Okay, so guys, this might be my new thing, but we're just gonna be waiting for a little bit. So I might be having this outfit or another outfit for other stuff, but I'm not sure. Once I go through all of the other updates, like through this whole year, I'm gonna be making my I'm gonna be sure that if this is really what I want, because I changed it and I changed it so much. Um, before I made my YouTube channel, I would change it, and I'm not sure, but I don't really want this name anymore. You guys can pick it, not like not a name that somebody already has, so I'm not like trying to impersonate them or anything, or like no brain rot. Alright, y'all are brain rot kids. Some of you. I'm not, no offense, no offense, but I'm totally gonna post this 100% because all of the other videos I have never posted them. I'm sorry, that I haven't posted. I have a lot of videos to work on, and stuff. I'm very busy, and yeah. So what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be playing in the no, what was it? I'm gonna I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna be showing you guys. Okay, so we're gonna be checking out the secret tunnel in skateboard. We're gonna be checking if there's anything in there. I haven't um I know I'm so
So like you're saying
uh,
hi to somebody. Teach you like this.
like I'm so late to it. Um which I don't want to be. So it's probably like wait,
No, not
okay,
you.
it's
I'm probably gonna
Monday
talk.
right now. So it's been
Okay,
3
guys.
days
So
since the
we're
update.
gonna
Skibbity
check.
toilet Fortnite
So yeah.
fart.
Um guys wanna know my fan code? It's going to be it's going to be um VFK9 Coke. Alright, I will not be telling you what it stands for. Y'all gotta solve the mystery. So yeah, there should be nobody in this code, but if you guys want to meet me, you can't join the code and stuff. So yeah, I'm actually so tall. Not gonna lie. So let's go to the skateboard map. Sorry if I'm breathing so hard. I don't know why I breathe so hard. So as you can see right there, um, there's like a mystery right there. Um, I'm gonna be doing it by the camera mod. Sorry, I'm playing outside and I hear a freaking bee. Okay, so this is the secret tunnel or whatever you wanna say it. But I'll call it the mystery. Maybe the mystery something, but I'm gonna be using it with the first person or either the selfie by turning it away. But let's just do it with the first person first. As soon as I watched this clip, you guys actually couldn't see it, which I didn't know. I have it in first person. That's why I didn't have it in like selfie mode. So sorry if you guys didn't see it or anything. So yeah, that's just for you guys to know why it didn't work. Y'all see anything? What about right here? Is that good? Let me do this way. So don't know what you guys saw, but I'll just watch this clip. So yeah. I'm trying really hard with my YouTube channel. Like I said, I've been very busy now and stuff. So that's why I haven't been posting that much actually. And yeah, I also
you're not going
you
too
need to
fast,
spend it,
yeah.
and then
In
you
the
need
slow
to
zone.
do somebody know out in that
oh
secret
yeah, so
jungle. Is this past the limit? Is this past the limit?
okay there.
Yeah, that's okay for the highway. I mean, you could go a little bit faster, but alright. Skateboard glitching is against the law.
So I changed my outfit. Let me go somewhere else.